Hi guys, it's me Samantha, and I am reviewing for you my first impression of the new Morphe Filter Effect Foundation, and I got mine in the shade Tan 18. This is supposed to be a soft focus foundation. It's supposed to be a natural finish, long wearing, oil-free foundation. It's supposed to hydrate and blur your imperfections. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and glycerin. And yeah, I was really excited to pick this up. And it comes in 0.94 ounces in a glass frosted bottle with a pump, which is quite nice. Ulta was having a promotion that if you picked up the foundation, you got the brush for free, and this is what she looks like. And I did use the brush for my application today. So I did put on this makeup this morning before work at, let's see, I could tell you exactly, approximately 7:24 a.m. So I will just show you kind of, this is me getting ready to film. I will insert the full video clip sped up so that you can see. I did use my Pretty Filter foundation from Touch and Soul. That's pretty much my go-to, and as I said, I did use the brush that came with the foundation. I found that it went on really nicely, and it had a gorgeous radiance, like glow, hydrating finish to the skin, which I loved. I did put on bronzer and blush powder form because I was working in the office and I do have to wear a mask for the entire day. And then I set just my T-zone with my Too Faced Soft Focus Powder in the shade Medium. This is a very fine, light powder, and so that is why I enjoy it. I did have to wear a surgical mask during my work shift, and I was there for approximately 6 hours today in the mask. Now, it's not a super tight form-fitting mask, and I do place it kind of carefully when I am wearing makeup, and I do remove the mask and wear it like this when someone has left my space or I'm having lunch. So for most of the day I'm wearing the mask up, and then when I am not, I pull it down. I did have some makeup on the mask, and unfortunately I tossed it as soon as I came home, just out of force of habit. But this is a clean mask that I blotted my face with a few minutes ago, and as you can see, very little foundation came off, mostly just the oils from my skin. I did film myself after my workday at about hour 6, and I will insert the clip here. And I found that my makeup looked really good. It didn't look shiny at all, and I felt like it really lasted the workday. Some of my blush and highlighter was missing, but that's to be kind of expected for me, and a little bit from the nose and the chin. Obviously, I'm wearing a mask, and that's normal things. I'm on the phone talking all day long, so I don't really have much say on the motion of my face. I don't have any condensation that tends to build up in my mask because I am indoors, so that's not going to be an issue. Although I did walk through a blizzard to get into the house today. That's about it. But I do have to show you on the last clip here, my face did get quite oily, but it is now, I'm going to show you guys, 5:37 p.m. and I just blotted right before this video, and it was quite oily, and I'm going to show you the clip here. It was oily, but to be expected. I have oily skin naturally, and I typically blot frequently through the day, but I purposefully did not blot today for this video, so I am not surprised whatsoever. But I will tell you that I'm going to zoom up real close right now, and I think this looks great. So you're going to see it's worn off from my nose, but I don't have anything in my nose on the sides. There's still foundation. It's, you know, a little bit has rubbed off, but overall it still looks really good. On my forehead, looks good. Now I don't put tons of layer because if you've watched any of my, zoom back out, if you've watched any of my past videos, you know I don't wear foundation to cover my entire face. I don't pile it on to cover every single blemish non-stop, so till everything is disappeared. I don't mind some of my dark spots, hyperpigmentation to show a little bit. So with that said, I'm really quite pleased with how this wore. I'm going to continue to wear it and be able to tell you how I feel about it probably in a few weeks. But I just wanted to kind of tell you my initial thoughts. I think this is a pretty nice foundation. If you have dry or normal skin, you're going to love it. If you have oily skin and you have problems with looking shiny or oily and you don't like to blot, you want to powder a lot, this might not be for you. But I think it's gorgeous for someone like me who kind of embraces the shiny glow. Just blot in the areas that you want to blot and showcase your natural radiance otherwise. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this foundation. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And until next time, love you. Bye.